Hey gang, Puppy here. It's 21:12 hours, October the 10th, 2019. It's just a wee on the campfire to put it out and a reboot since electricity came back on. And I'm serious. You lawyers out there, I want to sue PG&E for multiple counts of reckless endangerment. Dig your pot hand deep into their pocket, pull it out. I understand you guys get 58%, that's great. As long as I get a great big hunk of money, I don't care how rich you get. I need big money. And I'm not kidding. I don't care if you pull a whole lot of Saul Goodman tricks on pernicious graft and extortion. As long as I get my money. They deserve it. Their shareholders deserve it for the overpowering greed that they don't even do the necessary maintenance on their equipment and their lines, keeping the tree limbs out of them. I'm going to shoot some stills of the tree limbs in the power lines just here. And that is not just because this is Clear Lake, the poorest place in California. Let us burn, they don't care. All over. Look at them power lines. Look at the tree limbs in them. They got sued 20 years ago because of big fires halfway down the state because the wires and the tree limbs were playing with each other.